Good morning, class 10th. Welcome back to Commercial Studies class. Children, yesterday only I was explaining you about modes of transferring money online. And in that sequence, I have already explained you RTGS. That was real time gross settlement. Fine. And this was one of the method of remitting money online through internet. So children, today also we'll continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 14, and name of the chapter is banking. But children, today I will explain you about the next topic, that is NEFT. Yes, NEFT. NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer. N stands for national, E stands for electronic, F stands for fund, and T stands for transfer. So children, NEFT is a countrywide system by which an individual, firm or a company can electronically transfer funds from one bank branch to another individually, firm or a company having an account with any other bank in the country. Children, the fund transfer takes place at a particular period of time. All transfers are held till that time. In other words, NEFT transactions are settled in batches. Like children, as I have told you yesterday, that is in RTGS, in explanation of RTGS, I have told you that RTGS transactions are not settled in batches. But here something different is there. That is, in NEFT, the fund transfer takes place at a particular period of time and all transfer are held till that time, or you can say that NEFT transactions are settled only in batches, right? So this is a difference between these two. Children, during the weekdays, NEFT transactions takes place 7 times a day between 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and on Saturday, that is on a weekend, NEFT transactions takes place 6 times a day between 8 a.m. and 1 to 1 p.m. Right? Children, any NEFT transactions initiated after a designated settlement time has to wait till the next designated settlement times arises, right? That is why the settlement of these are done in batches. This you can see in the slide also I have mentioned, right? Now children, I will tell you some specific features of NEFT. Number one, children, the very first feature is the bank branches must be NEFT enabled to become a part of NEFT fund transfer network. Second feature is an individual firm or a company can make use of NEFT even without having a bank account by depositing cash at a NEFT enabled bank branch. Third is, in order to receive funds through the NEFT system, an individual, firm or a company must have an account with NEFT enabled bank branch. Fourth, children, in case one does not have a bank account, the maximum amount that can be transferred through NEFT system is 49,999. That is 1 rupee less than 50,000. Right? And the last is, children, there is no minimum fund or the amount that can be transferred to NEFT when one has a bank account, but maximum amount is 10 lakh under retail internet banking. Children, as I have told you that NEFT transactions takes place only and only in batches, right? So NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer Scheme. This is the second mode of transferring money online, right? Now children, I will tell you something very interesting, that is difference between RTGS and NEFT. Children, the very first basis will be processing. NEFT. Children, NEFT transactions are settled in batches, number one. And RTGS transactions are processed individually and continuously. Second basis is minimum transaction value. Yes, children, NEFT has no minimum value, right? And RTGS, the minimum value is rupees 2 lakh. That is minimum 2 lakh rupees a person should have, then only a person can go for an RTGS process or RTGS mode of payment, right? Third, number of transfer during a days. Children, 6 times a week and 3 times on Saturday can be done NEFT. But children, RTGS, no limit on number of transfers during the day. As soon as you are going, your money will be transferred, and because there is no batch system in RTGS, right? And the last is NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer, and RTGS stands for Real Time Gross Settlement, right? Now children, after listening to this study video, today also you will be doing the worksheet. Then after completing the worksheet, you will be sending the screenshot of the same to me on my personal WhatsApp number, right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much.